Brucey Bruce, are you on the swing? Are you on the swing? Whee! You're so big! You're so big! Brucey Bruce! Hi! Brucey Bruce! Hi! Are you so big? Ooh. Look how big you are! Look how big you are, Logan!
Sealark, come here.
He's okay. I think he crashed.
Come here. Grab your... Okay, come here. You should get a picture of me, Clark, and all three boys on the swing.
Alright.
Oh, this is so much fun! Oh, no.
Where are you going? You can't just lean forward like that, you'll fall.